Jim Frederick with TrueScapes Landscape Lighting and Belgard Hardscapes, here to review the installation of an A1000 Hardscape undercap light. Undercap lighting has become one of the top trends in our industry, a very easy installation for you, the contractor, and a nice upsell opportunity. Today we'll review the basic installation practice for both single-sided and freestanding walls. Here we have a Belgard Weston wall, freestanding, but first we'll review the single-face application. The light easily places between the top course of wall block and the cap, with the wire running through the wall and connection made behind the wall on a single-faced wall. The wire is direct burial, as is the connection, so it can be placed in your backfill zone behind the wall. On a double-faced wall, it becomes a bit trickier. Here we have a Weston wall with a split for the main lead wire. This wire goes back to the transformer. Installation is as easy as a wire connection at each fixture. At terminus, we would have a single connection. Strip the wire about 3/8 inch back from the edge, removing the rubber jacket. Do not remove copper wire. That decreases and degrades the quality of the wire. Connections are made with the included waterproof gel-filled wire nuts with every fixture. Be sure to tighten the wire nut down completely when installing to provide good strain relief and waterproof protection. Once you've completed your connections, hide the wire, place the cap on top of the wall, and you're done.